Hi, welcome to MarielBeadsandBeyondQuickandfacil. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ring. It's really easy to make and it's really pretty. The idea of designing this ring was to use this bead, but this is gonna be an alternative. I have this paper bead. I've been making some paper beads and it's the same shape of this bead. So if you can't find this bead available, you can go ahead and make a bead of paper, and there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get started. The list of materials is going to be in the description box. To start, we are going to grab our mandrel and we're gonna need wire. And this is 20 gauge. You're gonna place your wire in the size that you want. I'm gonna make a size and a half. And you're just going to continue around. You want your wire to overlap, and we're gonna cut the wire. So right now we are going to grab our wire and we are going to rotate our wires and continue around and keep going until your wires are facing this way. We can continue all the way around. One more time. You don't have to. It's up to you. This is what you should have. And like I always say, you don't worry about the shape of the ring because we can always fix it. I'm going to grab my pliers and we want to make sure we can just straighten up our wire. We want to press this down. Like that. And we want to make sure our wires are straight. This is what you should have. So we're gonna press them down again. You wanna have them like this. You can put your ring and try to shape it. You're gonna be really gentle. And this we wanna press it down. This is what you gotta have. So what we are going to do next, we are going to grab our bead and we are going to set it on top or to the side. It's up to you. And see, like in this one, I have a longer piece on one side. It's up to you. So we're just gonna set it to the side and we are going to bend our wire right at the edge. And this one, same thing. So you want to have this. What you're going to do next, you have this shape of your bead. So you are going to look at where is the hole of the wire, and you are going to we are going to fold this like that, and same thing right here. So this is what you gotta have. So what you're gonna do next, you are going to set your bead on one side and you are going to open this other side up just in order for you to get to the hole. And you are going to start pressing the wire in and push it in. Right here you can use your hand or you can use a hammer, really soft. Try to bend the wire in and there you have your ring. The only thing we had to do right now is make it really straight, because when you are working with your wire you can mess it up, or like right here I don't really like the way it's coming in. I want it more in. And this, it's supposed to go in a little bit more. So as you can see, this is not going to go anywhere. And it looks really pretty. As you can see, this ring is really easy to make and it's beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the videos. Until next time, thank you.